Hey guys, it's Andrea. This is like the 15th time I'm trying to do this voiceover. I just feel like I feel bad whenever kids are screaming in the background. Theo has found his voice and he is definitely a chatterbox, a gabby if you shall say. I don't know. He just talks all the time, very loud. He's very happy, but he just has, opinions and he likes to talk about them. So if you hear him in the background, sorry, Bennett's sleeping, so he won't make a peep. But Theo, there's no saying what he's going to say in the background, but he's downstairs, but he has a voice. So anyways, I am going to be going through Bennett's birthday week. I am so happy with the way the spread turned out. I used a lot of products that are going to be coming soon. It's so good. The little icons are perfect. It is a collab with Once More with Love. I'll go into that more in a future release, but just know they're coming. They're perfect. They're beautiful, and they look perfect with everything. So in my spread, I used silver with the Let's Go Party kit. This kit was designed for Bennett's birthday, but obviously you can use it for your birthday, for your kid's birthday, for whoever's birthday, or if you just like Barbie, just use it because it's cute. On the sidebar, I wanted to put in that it was Bennett's birthday and that I was also Brian and Kirsten's anniversary. On Monday, I put in that we got Old German Bakery for pickup, and then Bennett, we were playing outside, and it was super cute. He loves being outside. I think that kid would be outside all day if he could. Like literally live outside, he would. Then we did do a little bit of shopping, Nick and I, and then I did cuddle with Theo because he was having trouble sleeping, which I don't mind getting all the baby cuddles, and it was super cute. I love watching him sleep. He's the sweetest little thing in the whole world. And then we got Old German Bakery again for lunch because there was barely anything else open. Also for dinner, we got Clear River, and then Bennett was in such a mood this night, such a mood, like actually, like don't even, like it was a mood, like a huge mood, and I was like, come on, because he didn't have a nap that day. If Bennett doesn't have a nap, forget about it. On Tuesday, we had Old German Bakery again, in this town, nothing is open until Wednesday or Thursday, especially for like pickup. And then we did pack up and go home. And then whenever I got home, I went over to work twice. I don't remember why I went to work twice, but I put in that I went to work twice. And then I did design for a little bit and work on listings for the next day. Then we had Outback for dinner, and Nick and I watched 90 Day. We were really trying to do like a spooky movie every night, but I feel like recently, especially the past week, we've been so tired that we're like can't commit to a whole movie, so we end up just watching like 30 minutes of 90 Day and then being like, it's 9:30, it's definitely bedtime. But yeah, so we kind of were failing on that, but like, we have a playlist and like there's many more Halloweens coming, so we'll just pick up where we left off next year if we don't finish them. He said that his one request is to watch Casper, so we'll definitely do that within the next 10 days. It's the 20th when I'm doing this, the day before it's supposed to go up, because I am a queen procrastinator. Then on Wednesday, I put in that we got Starbucks in the morning and Chick-fil-A, and then I also put in that the cleaners came this day and that we went over to my in-laws and Bennett slept over. We had so many presents to wrap, so we did that, and then I baked oatmeal cookies. For dinner, we got Smoke and Beauty, which was really, really good. And then I had a bath. I cleaned my planner desk, and we watched 90 Day Fiancé. On Thursday, I went to Waffle House. There's a sweet, sweet soul that messaged me on Facebook and told me all of the tips and tricks for Waffle House, and I followed them, and I have found success in finding a time that Waffle House is not super busy. So thank you so much. You know who you are. I love you so much. And I was super pumped to eat Waffle House. And then I did color my hair. I had brown hair with like balayage blonde for probably about 3 years, maybe even more. I feel like it was either right when Bennett was born I got my hair done, or right before Bennett was born I got my hair done, like the balayage, and I've gotten it obviously touched up, cut since then many times, but I've kept the same type of thing. I think I might have added bangs. I don't know if I had bangs in the beginning, but I think I'm gonna have bangs for the rest of my life. But then I did the purple because I was like waiting for my friend to send me color, and I was like, I'm gonna do something fun in between while I have the blonde, and I am all one dark brown now, and I actually really like it. I think it looks like fresh and like clean and like youthful in the hair, just the hair, because the rest of me, I'm just like, definitely I'm aging for sure. And then I found out that I have a 5-star island. The way that I found out was so funny. So Nick was going to pick up Bennett, I think. Yeah, he was going to pick up Bennett, and I was on the phone with him I don't remember why he called, but we were talking about something, and I was holding Theo, and I was playing Animal Crossing, and, like, Theo's, like, pressing the buttons with me, and I, like, was walking the one way, and I saw that, like, the, like, flower, when you have a 5-star island, you get the flower, and I screamed so loud. Theo started crying. Like, Theo doesn't cry. He started crying, and I felt so bad but I was, like, it was, like, it was a reaction just to scream, because I could not believe I got a 5-star island. My island looks like poop. Like, there's weeds everywhere, there's flowers everywhere, there's stuff everywhere. Like, it's literal trash. Everyone's like, please upload your dream code. No, I'm not going to put you through that. It is the worst island in the whole entire world, but I have a 5-star island now, guys. Like, I feel like I've made it in life. I have a 5-star island. Then we got a new stroller this day. It's a double stroller, and it is the most amazing thing I've ever purchased. It's like, my bed was one of my favorite purchases of my life, and the stroller. Like, there's not that many things that I'm like, that was a really good purchase, but, like, the double stroller is the most amazing thing in the whole entire world. Definitely a game changer when you're having, like, doing walks with 2 kids. Double stroller. So good. Then my in-laws came over for dinner. Or no, we went to our in-laws for dinner. I don't know where Nick was going. Oh, he might have been taking packages to the post office before that, whenever I called him at the 5-star island. So we went to my in-laws for dinner, and I played Animal Crossing while we were there, and my father-in-law cooked. There's this restaurant downtown called Bangers, and they do sausages, and they just recently reopened, and they aren't doing to-go of food, but they're doing to-go of, like, boxes that come with frozen sausages and, like, other items, and we were like, cool. So we got those, and they're actually so good. Like, there's definitely a difference between, like, a sausage from, like, a good place versus, like, a grocery store. Like, no offense, grocery store sausage, but they were so good. And then I went home, and whenever I was home, one of the activities I did was organize my wax melts, and I have so many wax melt stickers that I was like, I need to put this in my planner. Then on Friday, I had Starbucks Reserve, and we walked around the Domain for a little bit before they opened. I love going to the Domain like an hour and a half before they open and just walking around. I feel like, especially that time in the morning, it's like a nice fall kind of vibe. And then we did pop into the Amazon bookstore and grab a couple of books, and then I went home, and I had a lot of videos to edit and upload, hauls, plan with me's, like pre-film stuff. And then I did go home and design one of our Valentine's Day kits, and it was so beautiful. I put it all together. It was it's so good. I'm gonna use it the week of Valentine's Day. It's probably actually, I don't know, neither of my custom Valentine's Day kits this year are ultra Valentine's Day, which is wild, because I feel like they usually are. Maybe I'll reformat something, but I'm sure also other people are going to come out with things that are, like, more classic Valentine's Day. But my 2 customs are, like, you could totally use them for probably 1,000 other things besides Valentine's Day, which is, I think that's fine, because then you got options. If there's other art that's, like, Valentine's Day, you can use my custom art for, like, many other things, which is really awesome. So then I did set up for the party. I like to do, like, whenever we always do, like, a lunchish, because then it, like, goes into dinner, so, like, a late lunchish. I think it was, like, 4, so, like, I guess dinner time party. Even though 2 kids, you gotta prepare. So I did put up a lot of the decorations the night before. I feel like that's the only way to do it with Bennett around, because otherwise he wants to help, which, like, bless him, but, like, at the same time, like, a 3-year-old is not really help when it comes to decorating, especially, like, when it comes to, like, step stools. He wants to do it, not a thing. So I did that all while he was sleeping. Then on Saturday, it was Bennett's birthday, which I cannot believe that I have a 3-year-old. He is the most perfect 3-year-old in the whole entire world. Obviously, he has his moments. He's 3, but he is so smart. He is just, like, the cutest, sweetest, like, funnest kid in the whole entire world, and I just love him. So it was his birthday. My in-laws came over pretty early in the morning. My son loves the in-laws. They, like, it's just, they're best friends. That's basically best friends with grandpa. That's his favorite person. And I made French toast. Honestly, not my finest French toast, because I feel like I was doing 17 things at once, but it was French toast. And then we got McDonald's for lunch by Bennett's request. McDonald's is his favorite, like, takeout food. Actually, probably his favorite food. The thing is I think he likes the idea of a Happy Meal, which just, like, breaks my heart because, like, it's such a waste of money. But at the same time, it's his birthday. So he got McDonald's. Then we did open presents. He was so excited. His favorite toys was obviously his Barbie dream house that he's been talking about for months. And then also Kirsten got him a Hulk toy, and he loves that toy so much. He walks around the house going, Hulk smash, and, like, moves the arms up and down, and it's so cute. But he was just so happy with everything. And it was definitely the first, like, present opening holiday that he really understood, and I thought it was super, super cute. He was so excited with every single present that he opened. He was just like, oh my goodness, and I was like, you're so sweet. Then we had Cabo Bob's, which is just so good for catering if you live in Austin, or just eating like a regular burrito if you're hungry. We had cake, which was good. It definitely wasn't my favorite. I usually always get, like, the cake that I got for my wedding, because Bennett doesn't care anyways. But we got a different cake. Nick picked the flavors. It was funfetti and chocolate mousse, and it just wasn't something that I'd pick at all, but it was okay. I think that for the next party, I might just get, like, a sheet cake with, like, my favorite kind of cake, and I feel like it's just, like, safe, is, like, a solid flavor with, like, I don't know if it's called whipped cream icing or, like, not buttercream, do you know what I mean? Like, and not, like, the super, super sugary stuff. It's, like, I think it's whipped cream icing, right? Somebody let me know. Somebody who bakes will let me know what kind of topping that's called, but I'm pretty sure it's, like, whipped cream frosting, but that's, like, my jam, and I just feel like safe bet, everybody loves it, and then maybe you do, like, a cute little decorative cake. That's my idea probably for Theo's birthday, which I'm so excited for Theo's theme. It is super cute. Like, you guys, if you think hard enough, you'll probably be able to guess it, but, like, it's so good. Anyways, we did do a piñata. He didn't want, but, like, he loves Captain America, so we did a Captain America piñata, and he thought that that was really cool. And then whenever everybody went home, Nick and I watched Double Shot at Love on Sunday. I didn't even put a sticker here. I don't remember what that's for. But anyways, it was because I was in a mood. I need to find a sticker for that. But I was in a mood this day. I don't remember why, but I was just in a mood. But I put in that we got Panera and that I showered. I took a really, really long shower, which I feel like barely ever happens. I usually am like, okay, I got about 5 minutes. I'm going to take a shower. No, this was a long shower. Like, there was conditioning treatment on my hair. That's where we were at this day. And I could probably use one of those right now, TBH. And then I did take a nap, and it was like a family cuddles nap. I think we were all in the bed, and I napped, and everybody else just, like, bothered Nick, basically. And it was amazing. I definitely needed a nap. And then I did film. We got Chewy's for dinner, which we have started a diet in the past week, so not this week, but the next week. I think towards the end of the week, we started a diet. We had a couple of bad days, but we're, like, on track. But Chewy's queso sounds like the most amazing thing right now. I don't know if I said we watched 90 Day After it, but I just miss Chewy's. I just want to eat Chewy's every day for the rest of my life. If I could have one wish, no. If I had 10 wishes or something like that, probably one of the, like, later ones would be, like, to be able to eat Chewy's. I'll just keep it at Chewy's because they do have other good stuff too. Eat Chewy's and never gain weight. That would be, like, one of my, like, later end wishes after, like, a lot of, like, good, solid wishes, like, you know, that make me, like, happy, you know, but, like, that would be, like, you know, a nice little, like, a later wish. So that's everything for this plan with me. I hope that you guys liked it. These past couple of spreads, honestly, just this whole planner makes me so happy. I just feel like this is definitely, like, I don't know, my year as far as, like, I love my planner. It just looks so good. I've been consistent with, like, planning, like, memory planning for, I think this will be my 3rd year. But something about this planner in particular is just so good. And there's so much good stuff in here. I think it's all bougie, too. I think all last year was bougie as well. But it's just definitely my favorite planner ever. So, hope you guys like it. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!